It's currently 3:01. He's gonna go swim. Ah! Hey, we are going swimming. It is 3 a.m. right now, and we are gonna skinny dip me, Jake, and Junior. Y'all ready, kids? Yo, why'd you say that? Hey, dog, finna go swimming too. 3 a.m. 3 guys in the pool. 3 a.m. What could go wrong? Find a wild cat. Find a wild cat, bear. He's running in the wild.
El gato.
Oh, there's more. Look.
More.
Where the hell are you going?
You're looking for Peter.
Your dad ain't here, guy. Today we are going to sneak into a party. It was like we just saw the invitation on the floor while we're at Walmart, so we're gonna sneak in. You said what?
We're gonna get kicked out.
Girl, are you ready for the party? We're gonna sneak in, right? Are we gonna get a lot of alcohol?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a cake right here.
Can't see it. I heard it was a birthday cake, but he already brought all the cake.
Yeah. It's free Slurpees.
So we're kind of hungry because if the food's not good, our game plan is after we're gonna
Eat 100 nuggets, 20 Whoppers, and 3 free Slurpees.
3 free Slurpees.
Yeah.
No, I think we're getting 4.
2, 3, and 4.
Are y'all ready for the party? Are you ready? Oh, we're sneaking in, right?
Argentina's gonna win.
Yeah.
Argentina.
I'll just put on my lemon pepper steppers. We made it. We're just sneaking in. Oh, shoot. There's so many people here, guys. It smells good, though. Now we got our plate of food.
Gosh, it's so bad.
Y'all better stream all of that.
Recording for vlog.
No way! Where did you go? Hey, you better not let
Pero ya no están jugando eso. Oh my God.
Este aplauso para el jinete, por favor, señores, no se escucha. Es el jinete que viene de Madera Nevada, llevándose el primer lugar aquí en California. El aplauso.
Ayuyo.
No se escucha. El torre está un poco enojado.
Está llorando. Mira, Brian. Mira, Junior,
¿Qué estilo de
bebé.
pregunta que hace este jinete? El aplauso, señores. Miren ese estilo de jinete. Ayúdenlo, por favor, porque se cayó. Ayúdenlo.
La quebradita está de moda, la quebradita les va a encantar. Todos la bailan, todos gritan, la banda Arcángel.
So we just got back from the party. There was a lot of food, but we didn't get enough cake. But you know who has some cake?
Oh yes, cake. Oh yes.
Guys, we made it 7-Eleven. It's 7-Eleven today. We get free Slurpee. 7-Eleven did not have any free Slurpees, so we came to AMPM. And she bought me free Slurpee. Free Slurpee AMPM today. Guys, why'd the taco lean in? Guys, Nick got hungry, so he went to Taco Bell and McDonald's. What'd you get?
I had that nacho fries.
Jay got Baja Blast and box. Leslie bought ice cream. Mickey and Julian bought ice cream too. You got
We're waving and honking at you guys. You drove off eating ice cream.
Really?
Yeah.
You didn't see?
Deal. Deal.
Is it me? What is that? Is there tomatoes in it?
Huh?
Is it the tomatoes in it?
A little. You just got the other side.
We're eating it all. What is this? Oh, you can show this. I'm eating everything. Oh, can I have a bite too? Wait, where's the cheese? There's no cheese. There's no cheese. Oh, my bad.
no cheese on my nachos.
So the aftermath
Stop
of the
recording
food
me, man.
is she finished all her food.
I want more.
Jake finished all his Taco Bell. I ate a McChicken, half a taco, because I'm skinny and petite, unlike these other folks.
Where we at though? We got a strawberry cheesecake in a cup. He's still chugging on that shit. He got a Kool-Aid pineapple. We didn't record it though. We got daily traffic. Daily traffic on daily traffic. Track on. So we just got back from the car meet. It was a bunch of cars. It was pretty cool. It wasn't like other car meets where there's a bunch of like crazy people because it was controlled by cops too. There's a bunch of cops. But we made it home. We got that Burger King. Alright, fucked up a Whopper. We're gonna have a cheeseburger right now. We got a taco. And fuck this bitch up next. This thing's hella hot.